In this video, I'm going to show you how to get moving on a motorcycle. So the first thing you want to do is be mounted on the motorcycle, key in the ignition. If you haven't learned how to do that already, check out my other videos. I'll teach you how. Once you've reached this step in the process, now we actually know how to start the bike, and now we want to get moving so we can actually go ride this thing. So we're going to go ahead and fire it up here. Notice I'm in neutral at the moment. Now I'm shifting down into first gear. So with your bike in first gear, now as I ease this clutch lever out with my left hand, you can already see right about here is this point called the friction zone. So this is a point where power is first transmitted to the rear wheel of your bike. And notice if I ease that clutch out a little bit more, the bike's going to start to move forward, right? So I'm not doing anything with my legs, pushing it forward. I'm just finding that friction zone with my left hand. It's a sweet spot in the clutch, and it's going to start to pull that bike forward because the rear wheel is beginning to turn, okay? So if I squeeze the clutch in, the bike doesn't go anywhere. If I ease it out to that friction zone, it starts to move forward, right? And if I kept holding it there, we'd roll right into these wooden shelves here. So I squeeze my clutch in, back it up just a little bit. Now, to help you get started with finding that friction zone, I want you to try an exercise here. You're going to put both feet down on the ground, like I have mine here. Then you want to just point your toes up towards the sky, so get the heels of your boots on the ground. Next, I'm going to use my left hand. Notice I'm not doing anything with my throttle or right hand yet at the moment, so I'm just going to leave it here on the gas tank. Now with my left hand, I'm just going to slowly ease the clutch out into that friction zone. You'll feel it. As soon as your left hand and that lever gets to that point, you'll feel this point where the bike wants to start to move forward. Once you feel that, I want you to just freeze your left hand and hold it right in that position. Now watch my feet here. As I find that spot, the bike's moving. Once my feet become flat-footed on the ground, I want you to squeeze that clutch lever back in all the way. Hopefully you can see that here. It's squeezed in all the way next to the lever here, or next to the grip, okay? Now my feet are flat-footed. Now I just want to press with my feet into the ground and push backwards, with moving the bike back with the force of my legs until I'm up on the heels of my feet again and my toes are up, right? Now watch this. I'll try to look down at my feet, easing the clutch into the friction zone. The bike is moving forward. Once my feet are flat-footed, I've moved forward about half a foot or so. I can squeeze in that clutch all the way. Bike comes to a stop. I'm not using my throttle, my brake, anything yet, okay? Now with the clutch lever squeezed in, I'm pushing back onto my heels again. Now I'm easing forward, flat-footed, squeeze it in, push back, up on my heels, ease it out, let the bike move forward, flat-footed, squeeze it in. So I just want you to use this exercise, and you can keep both hands on your grips here just for safety. You can also cover your front brake too, just in case you're worried about the bike getting away. You can grab that front brake, okay? But for now, just to emphasize, we're not using the throttle at all. We're not doing anything there yet. We're just using that clutch, that friction zone, allowing the motorcycle to do the work. Now just train your left hand, your fingers, to find that sweet spot to open up very smoothly and slowly, and that'll allow you to have success here. So once you've gotten the hang of that, rocking back and forth, now you're one step closer to get your motorcycle moving. But there's a problem. We need to learn how to coordinate this friction zone, this clutch release, with a little bit of throttle to help us smoothly get underway. So make sure and check out this video next to learn how.